How's it going, everyone? More natural perfume here. Big purple box. Got delivered at 9 o'clock at night. Anybody else have that? My blade. Getting my trusty blade in here. Another natural. Let's see, how should we tackle it? Oh, it's a flip top. Cool purple. I told you I'm on a kick for finding naturals right now. On a mission just to see what work's going on, who's doing what, have to sniff it. Ooh, check that out. Nice gold tissue. Cool. Purple and gold is cool. Brandon. Personalized card. Oh. So ixchelleigh, Artisan Parfums. Enjoy exploring each treasure enclosed. Your perfumes with a purpose. Take you on a journey. Each composed and curated only from nature's finest gifts. That's pretty cool. The nice soft sachets. This is cool packaging. Very warm and touchy. Heart stickers. I'll be nice. I'll only cut one. Okay, so an Instagram photo. I gotta save my boxes. I gotta be better than that. Well, I do save them. I just don't. They're hard to get to. More gold paper here. So this is Eternal. I'm making my coffee. Wow, look at the elixir. Look how, whoa. That looks cool. I need to learn the new camera better, obviously, because I had the focus working really good and then I didn't. So this is one I definitely want on wrist pulse point. It's good. It's got a floral in it. No notes. I know the floral. It's like a lotus, one of the lotuses. Maybe. It might not be in that area. With a beautiful, very floral, medicinal vibe. Sweet accents, honey. Like a beeswax more than a honey. Let's see if notes are in here. My glasses are at home now, so stuff you have to. Here it is. Oh, so it's a jojoba carrier on this one. She only says essential. Rose just came through. There's a rose in here. Come on. And a spice like not cinnamon, but some kind of spice. Dark citrus in here. Come on. Is there a note card anywhere? Herkimer diamond in every bottle of Artisan perfume. That's cool. I'll have to look what that is. Okay, I found a card. Opens with neroli and blood orange, so it's neroli. Sorry, honey, like rose de mai, absinthe, jasmine sambac with fossilized amber and Brett myrrh. Ooh, so it's got oud in it too, and Buddha wood. I'm getting what the Buddha wood is, and then a real nice oud, the medicinal floral that I talked about that was from that oud. So a rose and oud, natural rose and oud, thick. It's good stuff. It's really good stuff. I'm not used to Americans doing this rich of stuff. It's really rich and compact. No offense, it's just not. Okay, this one is HARMONIE water. So I think a water collection, is that what it is? Oh, there is a diamond in there. Look at that. That's amazing. Beautiful packaging. Look at the color on the juice. Wow. Wrist 2. Whoa. It came out. I think this is an oil too. Citrus, mint, like a pine. Not pine sol, but fresh. Very fresh. So it's wrapped in the gold tissue. Let's see what the notes are now that we have them. So it is a jojoba carrier as well. So with that, they usually 2 to 4 years shelf life if it's jojoba, just so you guys know. So this is her Chypre. So it's got head notes of juniper berry, pear, held together by jasmine melody, several types of jasmine. Totally get that. Labdanum, seaweed absolute, and choya nake from the seashells. Interesting. Where am I getting the pine from? Huge pine on juniper berries, I guess. Huge pine. Jasmine settles down after that big top, usually. Different, 100% different Chypre. This will get a full review. Different. It's good different. Just an Instagram post, natural, organic, so I'm all over it. Talked to her. We put together a package, and I'm like, okay, let's do it. I wasn't under the impression they were all jojoba. It doesn't bother me. I love wearing oils. They last the same. This is brilliant. It sprays like an oil, though. I don't know if you saw that. I mean, just there's no mist. Maybe I can adjust this. I like this. Dirty opening. Dirty, nutty opening. Sweet orange, petitgrain, ylang, patchouli. I get the patchouli right away. It really dirties up the ylang. Fragrance pays homage to Ojai, moon, and Chumash language. A town surrounded by fire in December 27 was touched by a miracle. It not only survived, but rose up and thrived. I'm all about that. It's simple ingredients, but powerful, strong, actually using the ingredients in there and not diluting them. So powerful perfumes. Must be into the jojoba oil. Featured some on the channel last year. I love jojoba oil. And also, don't tell her this, but I mean, when you layer with your other oils, it really a good foundation for sandalwoods, ouds, and whatnot. So there is all of that. So there we go. And then check this out. This was the big thing that drew me in, so I can learn with her. Aromatic Alchemy. So that will be my reading coming up. The last book I read was Mandy Aftel's. I want deeper into stuff, natural stuff. You guys know that I've been showing that. Thus my journey here. There we go. Artisan Parfums. The perfumer's IXCHELleigh. My apologies if I said that wrong. I'm Brandon, Therapeutic Fragrance, with an unboxing today. Hope everyone is safe, you and yours. Love from the channel. Be blessed.